Okay, here we are outside. It's just around about 20 to 8 of the evening. It's still snowing here. We've had about a couple of inches. As we speak, Birmingham International Airport has closed its runways. It's nothing fantastic here, but like I say, we've had a couple of inches. As you can see, there's a fair covering of snow. So there you go. It's still quite cool. I wouldn't say it's cold, and it appears to me like there's a bit of rain in the air with the snow, but it doesn't appear to be moving the snow. So there you go. So I'm turning around now. So I got some light partly on me, etc. There's a car just coming down into the square now, so you can probably see the headlights, etc. So there you go. At this exact time and moment, as you can probably see by the street lights, quick look, it's not a fantastically heavy snowstorm, but they reckon we've got a weather warning here until around about midnight and possibly later, so it's just wait and see what happens. So there we go. Okay then, I'll load this on the computer, and this is Tipton in the West Midlands. This is what the weather's like here. I hope you're well, warm, safe, with who you want to be with, where you want to be, and doing what you want to do. Hope you can see me. I'll catch you later. I'll swing the camera around now and just give it another quick pan, and then it'll turn off. Bye bye.